Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kasorkar Jilla Meghalaya menta kadoni ke jingtmu bantau no ya ki jaka hiar lingson helikopter hakeleng ki district jong ke jilla. Ya kane la itu do menteri sarkar jong kane ke sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ubak mi ikatna transport ubak asngau bahalang dhar ha ke jekran bat ke Batisi TV ha ke pratrek mentau naitung arajar kat khandai. Haba batai benia khendiat halor kane ke jingtmu jong sarkar ubak asngau bahalang dhar ulaong ba ke sarkar kadoni ke thong ba la kumno banbo ke wei hapo Shillong ke bah hapo East Castles district harilom jantia bat kumjo harilom garo. Ya kani ka thong ka sarkar ka kwaru ban punurlong hasua ban pelong ya ka National Games House Nam Arhajar Arpuar.
Actually, we need airport, so we just all want to face problem. And the only good thing is that from 30th of this month, another one additional airport in the will come. Will start Kolkata, two. Now Air India is only there and two. So we'll see how it works.
How many seater metro?
Either 42 or 72. Obviously, this is the maximum. 72. I mean, they may come sometime with 42. They may come with 42. Maximum is 42. 72.
ATR ke 42.
ATR.
42.
But this is under that Udan scheme.
Yeah, that's it.
It's a new July 20th. So what is the contribution of the state one?
No, also directly from this. Hopefully, it is. Present government, most of the thing will be done by this time. Now we've got such a good relationship, all the coalition partners now. And all of us are collectively responsible. That is the beauty of this government. Now we are planning to put at least maybe one giant hills, one is around east and one is around helipad. Sometimes VIP come and if so many occasions are there, no?
So by when it is likely to?
Not by when, we are thinking on this. If you are looking, then be soon.
But a proposal will be put
No,
up.
That will be ideal.
We are trying.
Yeah, often VIP movement blocks the traffic, entire traffic.
When we put the helipad thing, not only for VIP, most sometime medical emergency, floors and all this thing, especially for disaster, no? Especially for that. Even that is the main.